This is not a Hollywood special effect. This famous piece of film was shot more than half a century ago and is preserved in the United States National Film Registry. In 1938, massive concrete anchors were dropped into Puget Sound in Washington state at the start of the construction of what would become one of the world's longest suspension bridges. For over a year and a half, workers erect the 135-meter towers, run 43-centimeter wide cables, and lay a 1.5 kilometer long road across the Sound. It was a beautiful sight, but when the wind picked up, the bridge rippled and swayed, a phenomenon called aeroelasticity. Construction workers started calling her Galloping Gertie. But despite the design problem, the bridge opened on July the 1st, 1940. 4 months later, however, 67-kilometer-per-hour winds racing across the Sound buffeted the bridge. The entire road oscillated 10 meters. A frightened motorist abandoned his car, leaving his dog inside. Although the bridge might collapse at any moment, a bystander attempted a courageous rescue and ventured onto the twisting steel. With every contortion, the bridge weakened, and the 4,000-ton main cables were severely stretched. Finally, the man reached the car and tried to save the dog, but time was running out. The bridge started to break up. He had no choice but to return to safety without the pet. Then, the inevitable. The center span goes crashing into the water below. Then, several seconds later, another gigantic section drops. The would-be rescuer makes it off the bridge unscathed. Gertie ended up over 60 meters below the surface of the Tacoma Narrows. This film has survived as an educational example for engineering students ever since.